Imagine walking into your home, and with each step, you're surrounded by a flow of energy that's not just a part of your space, it's helping you attract wealth and abundance. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, what if I told you there are secret places in your home where you can store money, and by doing so, you could actually invite more financial success into your life? Stick around because in this video, we'll reveal the 6 most powerful places where you can store money at home to attract more abundance. You'll learn not just where to put your money, but how energy and your beliefs can influence your financial success in ways you've never thought of before. Stay with us until the end to uncover a few surprising tips that most people don't know about, and make sure you're using your space to its full potential. Welcome to Imaginative Realities. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a chance to unlock more secrets of abundance and success. The southeast corner of your home is often referred to as the wealth corner in Feng Shui. According to ancient principles, this area is directly linked to financial prosperity and abundance. The energy in this section of your space is thought to influence your ability to attract wealth and success. By enhancing this area, you can activate the flow of positive energy and open the door to greater financial opportunities. To make the most of your wealth corner, start by clearing away any clutter. Negative or stagnant energy can block the flow of prosperity, so keep the space neat and organized. Next, focus on adding elements that resonate with abundance and vitality. Plants are a fantastic addition. They symbolize growth and vitality, which are crucial for attracting wealth. Opt for plants with rounded leaves, as these are believed to encourage the circulation of wealth. Another powerful item to place in this corner is a wealth vase. This symbolic Feng Shui tool is filled with coins, crystals, and other prosperity items. It's said to help amplify the positive energy and bring about more financial abundance. You can also use coins, either placed in a decorative bowl or scattered throughout the area, to attract more money energy. Crystals like citrine, which is known as the money stone, can also be placed in this corner to enhance the energy. The vibrant yellow hue is associated with the solar plexus chakra, which governs personal power and wealth. This stone is thought to attract opportunities for financial growth and success. Incorporating water features like a small fountain or a bowl of water can also help. Water is a symbol of wealth in Feng Shui, as it represents fluidity and abundance. However, be sure to maintain the water clean and fresh, as stagnant water can have the opposite effect, attracting negative energy instead of wealth. By placing these items in your southeast corner and keeping the space energetic and fresh, you invite more financial abundance into your life. A money bowl is a powerful and symbolic Feng Shui tool used to attract wealth and prosperity into your home. It is essentially a container filled with objects that are believed to enhance the flow of financial energy. The concept is simple. By creating a space dedicated to wealth, you direct positive energy towards your financial goals. To create your own DIY money bowl, you can start with a simple bowl or dish, preferably one made of metal or ceramic for added stability. Fill it with items that symbolize abundance and growth. Coins are a must, as they represent money and financial success. You can also add small crystals like citrine or pyrite, both of which are known for their ability to attract wealth. A small money tree, or a figurine representing prosperity, is another great addition to the bowl. This could be a tree with coins or a jade plant, which is believed to bring good luck and wealth. The placement of the money bowl is crucial to its effectiveness. Position it in a central space, such as the living room or office, where it can draw in and radiate energy throughout the room. The living room is ideal because it's a space that is often used for gathering and socializing, helping to share the wealth and positivity throughout your home. The office is another great spot, especially if it's the place where you focus on your work and financial goals. Make sure that the money bowl remains undisturbed and clean. If the bowl becomes cluttered or covered in dust, it could block the flow of energy, making it less effective. Regularly refresh the items inside by adding new coins or crystals, and perhaps even a fresh plant to keep the energy vibrant and ongoing. By placing and maintaining a money bowl in these key areas, you're actively inviting wealth into your life, all while creating a space that's aligned with your financial intentions. The front door is one of the most significant areas in Feng Shui because it represents the main entry point for both energy and wealth into your home. It's often referred to as the mouth of Qi, the place where energy flows in and out. Just as the energy of a space is influenced by how it's treated, the front door symbolizes how opportunities, including financial ones, enter your life. A welcoming, clear, and positive entryway sets the tone for prosperity to flow through your home. To enhance the wealth energy coming through your front door, it's important to keep the area clean and free of obstructions. But beyond the physical cleanliness, adding symbolic items that represent wealth can activate financial abundance. A small decorative item near the front door, like a coin, a crystal, or a lucky charm, can serve as a magnet for wealth and success. Placing a coin, especially a gold coin or a coin with a lucky engraving, can act as a sign to attract prosperity. It's a simple yet powerful gesture that signals to the universe your openness to financial opportunities. Alternatively, crystals such as citrine or pyrite can be placed near the door. These stones are known for their ability to draw in wealth and amplify positive energy. They act as a protective shield while welcoming prosperity into your space. Even something as simple as a small decorative wealth symbol, like a figurine of a frog with a coin in its mouth or a small jade plant, can enhance the flow of abundance. By adding these symbolic items to the area near your front door, you're not only inviting good fortune, but also setting the stage for financial energy to enter freely and smoothly into your home. Placing money under your mattress is a traditional practice believed to invite wealth and financial stability. The idea behind this is simple. Your bed is where you rest and recharge, and by placing money underneath it, you are symbolically grounding your financial desires into a secure, restful space. The practice of storing money under the mattress represents not just material wealth, but also a deeper connection to security and stability. It serves as a physical reminder that financial abundance is not just about having money, it's about creating a mindset of stability and confidence in your financial future. This practice can help shift your mindset. By associating money with stability, you begin to view financial abundance as something that is steady and dependable, rather than something fleeting or unpredictable. When you place money under your mattress, you're not just storing cash, you're inviting the energy of financial security to surround you as you sleep. This creates a sense of calm and trust, allowing you to believe that wealth is something that can be sustained and built over time. It's a subtle but powerful act that aligns your physical environment with your mindset. By associating money with a place of rest and stability, you're telling the universe that you're ready to attract long-lasting financial success. With this intention, it becomes easier to manifest the abundance you're seeking. The importance of security in attracting abundance cannot be overstated. When you feel secure, it creates a foundation for abundance to grow. A sense of security allows you to trust that the flow of wealth is constant and stable. Without that feeling of safety, financial stress and anxiety can block the very prosperity you're trying to attract. This is where placing money in a safe or hidden location plays a crucial role. It symbolizes not only the physical security of your wealth, but also the mental and emotional security that can invite more abundance into your life. Keeping money in a safe provides a sense of stability. It's a simple yet powerful gesture that signals to the universe that you trust the process of wealth accumulation. A safe offers protection, allowing you to feel confident that your resources are secure. When you store money in a safe, you're reinforcing the idea that wealth isn't something to be worried about or constantly chased. It's something that is safeguarded and protected, allowing it to grow and multiply over time. By placing your money in a secure, hidden location, you send a message that you value your wealth and are ready to preserve and expand it. This creates a psychological shift that aligns with your financial goals, allowing abundance to flow more freely. The sense of security provided by the safe encourages a mindset of trust and patience, allowing wealth to manifest in ways that feel natural and sustainable. Creating a personalized money jar or sacred space dedicated to prosperity is a powerful practice that blends intention with physical representation. This practice involves selecting a special container, such as a jar, bowl, or even a box, and filling it with items that symbolize wealth, success, and abundance. The items you choose for this jar can range from coins, bills, and crystals to small notes of gratitude or affirmations. The key is to personalize the jar with symbols that hold meaning for you and your financial goals. When you combine physical objects with the energy of gratitude, trust, and positive thinking, you amplify the power of manifestation. Gratitude shifts your mindset from lack to abundance, making it easier to see opportunities for wealth and growth. Trust allows you to believe that what you desire is already on its way, while positive thinking keeps your energy aligned with success. By focusing on these positive emotions and intentions, you not only honor the jar or space as a symbol of wealth, but also as a daily reminder to stay in tune with your goals. The sacred space or jar serves as a focal point for your financial intentions. Every time you add something to it, whether it's a coin, a note, or a small gift, you're reinforcing your belief that wealth is flowing to you. Over time, this practice helps you build a relationship with abundance, making it a tangible part of your life. This sacred space becomes more than just a container. It is a reflection of your belief in the power of manifestation, gratitude, and the flow of prosperity into your life. The key to attracting wealth and abundance into your life lies in the power of your mindset and belief. When you align your thoughts and energy with financial prosperity, you create a positive flow that opens the door to abundance. It's not just about placing objects in specific locations, it's about cultivating a mindset of stability, gratitude, and trust in the process of wealth manifestation. By implementing the simple steps we've discussed today, such as creating a personalized money jar or enhancing your wealth corner, you're actively inviting prosperity into your life. Remember, the energy you put out into the universe is the energy you receive. Stay positive, keep your space clear, and trust that financial success is on its way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips on attracting abundance and living a life of prosperity. Thank you for watching.